Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of backup on the application of TikTok. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will scrolling down until you find this application of TikTok and you will click. As you see in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching and your attention.